Good prompts are the difference between great and mediocre AI results. As a result, when you create a prompt that works well, you'll want to save it so you can reuse it. Most of you have a collection of prompts that you keep reusing, and you know that manually copying and pasting the same prompts over and over again is slow and time consuming. The solution to that is /commands. /commands let you define custom commands for repeatable processes. So instead of copying and pasting a prompt, you can invoke it with a /command. AI tools come with default /commands like review, model, and others. However, each tool has its specific set of default commands, but they also let you create custom ones. Let's say that you have a custom prompt for reviewing code, which is as follows. It has a list of instructions that tells the AI agent how to perform the review and what to return back. As you can see, it's quite a complex prompt. Look who's here. Say hi to my longtime code reviewing assistant. I've been using CodeRabbit since 2023 on side projects and at work, and it changed how I review code. And not by replacing code reviews, but by making them faster, more efficient, and more consistent. CodeRabbit is an AI code reviewer that automatically reviews your pull requests and provides context-aware feedback. That means you get actual useful feedback tailored to your code base, not generic slop. Even better, you can correct it when it gets stuff wrong and it learns from your feedback, avoiding the same mistakes in the future. So let's start with my favorite feature. CodeRabbit summarizes the changes introduced in the pull request, so no pull request is left with an empty description. And it goes even deeper with the walkthrough section where you can see the changes categorized by the files that were updated. It also generates a visual representation of the interactions between the different parts of the code through the sequence diagrams. All of this combined makes it much easier and quicker to understand the PR's purpose. And the main feature, the code review. It detects the issue, categorizes it by severity, explains what the problem is, and then suggests changes. You can even commit the proposed change by clicking the button in the committable suggestion section. Lastly, it adds some nice touches like showing the estimated code review effort so you can get an idea about how long it will take to review the pull request. Whether you are a solo developer or working in a team, CodeRabbit brings insane value. Give it a try and you'll thank me. Without /commands, you need to find the file where it's stored, open it, copy the prompt, go back to the AI tool and then paste the prompt. All of that can be avoided by creating a custom command /review code. You can place the prompt in a markdown file and simply reference its name every time you want to trigger an AI code review. And by the way, AI tools load the whole file contents into the context window. It's important to keep this in mind since a large context degrades the agent's performance. Now let's look at the format of a /command. First of all, these tools map the file name to the command name. If the file name is fixprcomments.md, the command is /fixprcomments. Secondly, the prompt file has the following structure. Front matter metadata that contains the description, which is what the command does, argument hint that represents the expected parameters. So if you use the /fixprcomments command, you should pass the pull request number so the agent can fetch the comments from that specific PR. Then we have allow tools, which specifies what tools the agent can run without asking for the user's permission, such as npm install in bash, all the git commands, and so on. Then we have the model, which tells the AI agent the specific model to use for the task. And lastly, we have the prompt itself. However, the metadata can vary between tools, so check the documentation for the tool you are using. When to use /commands? You should use /commands when you need to manually trigger a workflow or the task is simple and repetitive, or you keep copying and pasting the same prompt or prompts. And that's it. This is the end. You learn how to create custom /commands so you can easily reuse your prompts.